Yeah, Adam's channel, I see you checking in. Yo, what's good, man? All right. Thank you for checking in. Yeah. You prefer this angle? Definitely much better. Yeah, for real, for real. For real, for real. I understand, man. No joke. No joke. Whoa. Ah, God. Ah. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Whoo. Yes, I'm water, guys. See me right now. Yeah, man. See me right now. All right, chat. How we doing? So, Adams, do you create content? You do content creating? Whoa, yeah. Ah. Now to add some more weight here. You see how far that pick up real quick. How far that thing there? 10%. 10% today. So that go on. So it really are going. One. Let's get on with the show, right? Finish this up, we're gonna do some bicep workout. Train that, get that bicep together. Make sure we subscribe, hit that like button. Become a member today. Click that link in the description. Gain access to perks. You want to support, become a team. Become a member of the team today. I need some real equipment. No, I don't think so, man. I don't think so. Look at me. Real equipment, that's not a need. That's an option. Even if I don't got any equipment, I can still do push-ups. So that right there is an excuse. And I don't use that excuse. I don't talk that way. I don't go to work that way. I don't get around that way. That right there is a big excuse. Saying, yo, you need proper equipment just to work out, just to get some gains. That's not a need. That's where you're wrong. Real equipment or a gym is not a need, it's an option. Failure to understand that equal excuse. A lot of excuses. Let's hit that like button, alright? If you want to support, become a member. We want to join the team, link in the description. Become a member today. I just simply hit that like button. If you want to donate, send us a super chat. Oh. They said I need a gym. I don't need a gym. All I need is just that mindset. Get it any means necessary. That's all I need. It's just that mindset. That's all we need. That's all you need. Is 13 a reasonable age to work out at? Most definitely go do some running, push-ups. Definitely, if you can at least adapt to that from that age, at 13 years old, that would be great for you. That would be so great for you if you can adapt to working out or just physical activities at 13 years old. I haven't watched your stream in like a week. Should I stick to body weight? It's up to you, because I do both. I do both of them, so I recommend just do what you love. I do both of them. I work I do a lot of body weight training and weight training. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. That me a talk about. All right. How big do you want to become? It's not about big, but because right now I'm not even back on, I'm not even on my normal diet. But whenever we back on that normal diet, we're definitely looking to gain some extra pounds. So for now, I'm just trying to keep working out to build more muscle, staying fit, getting stronger. For now. But whenever we are back on our normal diet, we just focus on gaining more and more weight. When I said weight, I'm talking in terms of muscle. For sure. Alright, smash that like button, chat. Wait. I think that's it. That's it. That's it. That's definitely it. That's definitely it. That's definitely it. Hit that thumbs up, alright? Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe. Become a member today, man. How long you been working out? From 2017. It's been rocky, but you know, it's all about always staying focused. Whenever you build that discipline, that's the key. Because over time, it becomes more than training or bodybuilding or building muscle or working out. You know, it's a part of you. It become a part of you. So I just can't see myself without working out. Alright guys. So we're gonna add some more weight here. It's not over. So we're just gonna strap this This is just 75 pounds. So we're gonna just gonna do a few sets with this because it's just 75. So make sure we do a few sets. Hit that like button, all right? smash that thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment, drop the name of your country, where you're watching from. YOLO, what's good? Cali? Is that California? Alright, so we got California in the building. Where else? Where you are watching from? Drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Smash that like button. 7 more for 20. Smash that thumbs up. 7 more for 20. Let's get to 20 likes. Kaka, France, from France. Awesome. Elton, what's good? Alright, smash that like button. We need 6 more. 6 more for 20. Hit that thumbs up right now. Make sure you subscribe, alright? So we got France in the building. Five more likes for 20. Come on, let's get to 20. Hit that thumbs up button right now. Let's go. English, what go on? Where I deal with? Thing alright. Thank you for checking in. Where I go on with sis? Beautiful day, you know? Day on it. A little 75-pound strap. So we can get a few set here, is it? Whoa! Five more likes. I know we just start, but 5 more. 5 more for 20. Smash that thumbs up. Make sure we subscribe, alright? Final set. Whoa. Solid. Come on. Whoa. Yeah, Bangles, they didn't make that move yet. So we can send her the link. I don't even know if you're still here. But if you're still here, did you make that move? So I can send you the link. You're still there, boy. Alright, sis. I know anytime them I go up, you know, I know say you're there, boy. That's it. It's a good look. Whoa! Alright, let's get 2 quick sets here without the weight strap. Ah, God. Whoa. Why your chest so big? You don't do bench press. Nothing like that. I want to get a big chest. This right here is part of the key. Yeah. 4 more likes of 20. Smash that like button. This is the second live stream for the day. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! 1 more for 20. Smash that like button. Make sure we already subscribe. Drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. I know we only got a few people here watching today, but drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. All right. Oh yeah. Okay, right. All right, so we're gonna move on to some pull-ups. I'm gonna move the camera from there, move it down here. How many say this is how we do it? Always. All right, Aya. Okay, make sure we subscribe, hit that like button, chat. All we all doing, where we watching from? Drop a comment, let me know which country you're watching from, all right? Yeah, let's get this money. It's a good look. Let's keep working. Remember, if you want to join the team today, become a member. Link in the description, all right? Don't forget to drop a comment. Don't be afraid. Drop a comment, let me know which country you're watching from. Drop the name of your country, drop the flag. All right, so share some muscle. Check this out. I want to get that back ripped. I'm gonna show you guys how to get that back ripped, all right? America, nice. Hey, yo, Shaden, what's good? Is that Shaden or Shaden? All right, so smash that thumbs up button, all right? Let's get to 30 likes. So hit that thumbs up right now. Make sure we subscribe. All right, so I want everyone to stay engaged with what's going on here. So drop a comment, give me a number. How many pull-ups we should do for the first set. So I need you guys to drop a number between people here. Okay. Okay, I see the flags. Drop the name of your flag as well, because sometimes I don't really... But I see UK flag right there. I see Denmark. Where you right now? I'm in Jamaica. Is that Republic of... Is that Tuva? Or Tova? Do you take pre-workout? Not at the moment. Natural as can be. Just some Jamaican food and hard work. I want to go out there so but I'm gonna be there soon. Yeah, you should definitely visit, man. Top. All right, so as I said, guys, give me a number. How many pull-ups I should do for the first set? Give me a number between 23 and 19. Give me a number. I always want my audience to stay engaged with what I'm doing. Good chest. Thank you. Appreciate it. you have a very well developed body, or often you train. All right, 20, 20. I see 20. 220, okay. I'm going to work with 20 then and try to hit even more. Jamaican food is the best food in the world. That's what I tell myself, man. How much you weigh. All right, so I train. I used to mostly train 6 days a week, but now I'm just dropping it to 5. Get some extra rest. All right, so let's go. Let's get it. I don't do bench press. I do mostly push up, especially for chest workout. All right. God. Whoa. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Become a member today. Link in the description if you want to become a member. If you want to support, super chat. You can send a super chat. Or just simply hit that like button. Remember to drop a comment. Let me know which country you're watching from. I'm going to check the chat right after this. Give me a second here. Let's get another quick set. Whoa! Yeah. Make sure we subscribe. Hit that like button. Do a lot of pull-ups. You want to build strength at home? Do a lot of pull-ups. Always add some extra weight to your body. We've been working out for a while, so I'm just gonna add about 64 pounds extra. And that's all we're gonna work with for today, because I'm just gonna strap it to my waist. Get some more push-up in right now. Is that Mozambique? Bench. Can you do muscle-ups? Yes, I can do muscle-ups. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out my videos. Wait, what's going on here with this thing, bro? It got me craving some jerk chicken with rice. Oh, that's a Jamaican style right there. There you go, man. Okay, I'm back. I had some business to take care of. Ja Morant. Hey, yo, welcome back, man. Thank you for watching my watching my streams. Also, message? Okay, all right. We'll definitely get back at that message later on, all right? So I want you guys to smash that thumbs up right now. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's get 5 more likes for 30. Let's help us to get 100 likes on this stream. All right, at least 100 likes. All right, so I hit that thumbs up right now, everyone. What's the best trainer ever? What do you think? $237 overweight now. 6'1". Who inspired you, bro? When it comes to bodybuilders, who do you know? First off, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Ronnie Coleman, Kelly Muscle, and John Cena. You got John Cena. All right. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. We need 5 more. 5 more for 30. Okay, man. Okay. All right. Yeah. So we have to, so earlier we did a full screen live stream. So I want you guys to just hit the bell so you can stay notified when we're streaming daily, because we try full screen streaming differently from vertical streaming, because right now we're vertical streaming. So earlier I was full screen streaming, and I don't know, we just start a vertical one. So make sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit that bell, so you can stay notified and subscribe. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Woo. Alright, we're gonna do some chin-ups. At least 2 sets. Go up again, bad boy. Oh. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe. Ah, yep. Easy money. Ah, yeah. Stay focused. Don't lose sight of the target. All right? Stay focused. Keep going. Pushing my G. Cold Mufasa was good. Come on, guys. We need to hit that like button, man. Just smash that thumbs up, man. At least, let's hit that thumbs up button if you want to support. All right? If you like what's going on, just hit that thumbs up button. Just hit that thumbs up button, guys. That's all it takes, all right? Inspiring here in Chicago. Peace. Living life. What's good? It's good to hear that, man. Maxi, what's good? What is your favorite food? Some curry goat with some white rice and some huge slice of Irish potato. Some tomato salad with that. Some mayonnaise with some cabbage on the side. Cut up with some small carrot. That's my favorite dish right there. That's all we need. That's my favorite dish, man. Smash that like button, chat. Make sure we subscribe, all right? Yeah, David, you can't say something, you know, bad boy. You can drop a comment in, David, because I know you're there, you know. Man, just, ah, boy. The only time David is gonna drop a comment when you see that number, when you see those numbers coming in. Come on, bro. And I know David is here, hearing everything. I know he's tuned. I know he's locked in right now, for sure. Do they have CA in Jamaica? What's that? I don't know what you mean. No steroids here, man. It's all about working, dedication. So, you said, do they have CA in Jamaica? I don't know what you mean. You have to let me know what you mean. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, alright? Subscribe to the channel. Oh, Cash App. I don't know. I see people out here using it, but I tried to create one the other day, and the only thing I have currently is PayPal. And the crazy thing with the PayPal is I can't get it to like deposit. I mean, I can't get a withdrawal with a PayPal, like from our bank or something. So I have to like do like a shopping with it. So some people here got Cash App, but they're probably using VPN to use Cash App. We gotta stay, we gotta keep working. Remember I said we got to stay focused. That's something I plug in already, man. We gotta stay focused. Alright chat, so okay, I can use PayPal if you want. Alright man. Alright. You're talking about training? Like to oh, this is not a distraction. How's it going, Mr. African man? Nothing much, man. We're doing good, man. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, alright? So for those who don't know, I'm a Jamaican. You see that flag in the background right there? That is it right there. Let's get that bicep together. Let's get that bicep together. Let's get it, guys. I have to work with what we have. Alright? Stop finding an excuse, you know? It's all good. Much love to you. Yo, Chris Snow. Yo, respect, man. Wherever you're watching from, respect. Alright, guys, let's get this morning. Come on. Let's get this bread. You guys know my favorite curls routine already, right? So we already started off with pull-ups, and we had extra weight already. We did some dips. I mean some chin-ups. So we can start off with this, as usual. All right, so let me see what's going on. Hope we locked in. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe, man. Subscribe, everyone. Whoa, let's get to 7 more likes for 40. Smash that like button. Subscribe, all right? Appreciate it. Good round. It was Trotter, what's good? Yeah. Let's try to get some better extension for the next set. Oh yeah. Make sure we subscribe. Hit that like button. Two more. We need 2 more likes for 40. Smash that like button, all right? Make sure we subscribe. If you want to support, want to become a member, link in the description. If you want to support it even other ways, you can send us a super chat or just simply hit that like button, all right? Simply hit that like button. Yo, King Moon, what's good? Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you. Appreciate y'all, man. Give me a second here, chat. Just a second. Whoa, let's get that bread. Okay, Chad. Make sure we subscribe. Hit that like button. Let's keep working, huh? Final set with this. Then we're gonna add some more weight here. Real quick. Let's get that bread. Blanca. Hey, yo, what's good? Keep elbow lock at the hip and feel how harder it is. That's facts right there. That's facts. All right, guys, let's get to 50 likes. So hit that thumbs up button, all right? Smash that thumbs up. If you haven't hit that thumbs up already, help us to get to 100 likes. So let's get to 50 right now. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Come on. God. Whoa. Just keep working here. All right, let's get to 50 likes, guys. Smash that like button right now. Subscribe, all right? Whoa. Yeah. Make sure we subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know where you guys watching from. I see the country flags. Let me see the names. Yeah, man. Let's keep working here. Whoa. We need some more water. Drinking a lot of water. But I can't hold back. I keep the fire burning. Definitely have to keep the fire burning here. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Let's keep getting this bread. Yeah. Get some more water real quick. All right, guys, let's get to, we need 8 more likes to get to 50. Smash that like button. Whoa. Yeah. Let's keep getting this bread. All right, how much more likes we need? We need 5 more likes. Smash that thumbs up button right now. Stay tuned. Subscribe, all right? Let's keep working. You know the word never stops. Whoa, man. What was that right there? Whoa. Whoa. Hey, yo, Garrett, what's good? Yo, we need 5 more for 50. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe to the movement. Let's keep working. See, it never stops. Whoa. Let's keep working. Smash that like button. All right, let's get a quick set here. Let's get it. Whoop. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, higher level. It's a good work. So we need 3 more. So smash that like button. 3 more for 50. Remember, if you want to become a member, support the channel monthly, link in the description. Become a member today, all right? Let's get this bread, guys. Let's keep working. Oh, yeah. See those biceps? Let's try to do a close grip with your back leaning on the wall. Straight. Let's go. After go on feet. Ooh. Oh yeah. All right, chat. Smash that thumbs up button, chat. Let's get this money. Let's keep working here. never stops. You know the word never stop. Okay. Smash a thumbs up button. Let's go. Small grip. Let's try to get it. Whoop. Whoa. Smash that like button, chat. Make sure we all subscribe. Also hit that bell, alright? You know, we over here we stream a few times a week, so you definitely tune in with us daily. Jamaican time about 4 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. or those time, Jamaican time. So make sure to hit that bell, subscribe, hit that like button, alright? Smash that thumbs up right now. Yo, Dave, what's good? Let's keep working. Wow. Whoa! Come on, we can do better. Can do better, right? Whoa. Yes, higher level. It's a good look. Seeing. Yeah, man. Yeah. Appreciate everyone tuning in today for the live stream. I know most of you guys are not even here, but appreciate the support as always, all right? Love you all, man. Just keep focused, all right? Keep working. Work never stop. Have to keep going. Remember, there's a lot of benefits to reap from putting in the hard work daily, all right? So keep working. Never stop. Keep going. Love you all. Stay focused. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell, and hit that thumbs up, all right? Stay tuned for daily workouts and live streams and uploads, all right? Love you all. Peace out.